A family bought a used car for $18,764. Write the purchase price in words. So that would be written as 18,000, comma, 764. A school district spent $426,905 on new classroom technology. Write the amount in words. So we have $426,000, comma, $905. A concert had 27,486 people in attendance. Round the attendance to the nearest. And we have a couple choices here. Okay, so the first one is round it to the nearest 10, which means that we're looking at that 8. We can just copy down anything before that 8. And then for the next place, we have to look at the number next to it as 6 rounds up, so that 8 will change to a 9. So 27,490. For the next one, we need to look at the hundreds place, which is a 4. And the number to the right of it rounds it up. So 27,500. If we went around to the nearest thousands place, we have to look at the 7. And the number to the right of it is a 4, which rounds down. So that 7 gets to stay the same. And we get 27,000. If we went around it to the nearest 10,000, we have to look at the 2. The number to the right of it is a 7. So it rounds up to 30,000. A city reported a population of 913,752. Round the population to the nearest 10, 100,000, 10,000, and 100,000. So for this first one, we are going to round to the nearest 10. So we have to look at what's in the tens place. And then we want to look at what's to the right of it, which is a 2, which rounds down. So we copy down the first numbers. The 5 gets to stay the same, and everything after it becomes a 0. Next, let's look at the hundreds place, which is that 7. The number to the right of it is 5, which rounds up. So we can copy down the 913. The 7 is going to round up to an 8, and everything after it becomes a 0. Next, let's look at the thousands place, which is a 3. The number to the right of it is a 7, which rounds up. So that 3 is going to change to a 4. And everything to the right of it becomes 0 for 914,000. For the 10,000s place, we have a 1. And the number to the right of it is a 3, which rounds down. So that 1 stays the same. And everything after it becomes 0 for 910,000. And for the last one, in the hundreds thousands, we are looking at the 9, and the number to the right of it is a 1, which rounds down, which means we are looking at 900,000.